What's going on, guys? Riley here. Today we are revealing the brand new wheels for the Hellcat. Today's the moment everybody's been waiting for, so we're going to be showing them off. However, we're not putting them on the car today because we are going to be ceramic coating them. Now, I already have a very good tutorial video on the channel about how to ceramic coat your wheels and why you would do that, so we'll just quickly go over that and I'll show you guys the wheels, and then after that we're actually going to go over to Mob Auto Boutique, which is the place that's going to be wrapping this car in, what, 2 weeks now? And we're actually going to go over there and see the wrap. I had Faison order me a couple samples, so we're going to check out the samples, pick the final wrap color, show you guys the wheels. It's going to be a fun day, so let's show you guys the wheels.
Well, as you guys can see, there's the boxes, there's all the packing stuff, and here are the wheels. Gee, I wonder what wheel company these came from. So clearly these are wheels from Belgian Wheels. These over here are 20 by 9s, and these right here are the big boys. These are 20 by 10.5s. So those will go on the rear of the Hellcat. You guys ready to check them out? All right, here we go. No more messing around. Poof. Damn! These are clean! So here you can see the difference in a 20 by 9 wheel versus a 20 by 10.5 wheel next to each other. So pretty significant difference there. And what's great about those 10.5s is that I'm gonna fit 315 wide tires in the rear. So clearly these are the satin black finish going on that beautiful thing right there. So we're ditching the brass monkeys. I know, I'm gonna miss them too. However, once you guys see the wrap, that will be done in about 2 or 3 weeks or whenever, you guys are gonna understand why I chose these wheels, that they are going to look so good with the wrap. And actually, I came across these wheels on Facebook. I saw a post by Belgian Wheels on a white Hellcat with these wheels, and it was lowered, and oh my goodness, I fell in love. I said, oh, those are beautiful. And fast forward to today, and well, here we are. So definitely go check out Belgian Wheels website. They have an awesome selection of wheels. These are the ones I chose. They're called the Split 5 because it's, you know, 5 split. Never mind. All 4 of these come in right around 33 pounds. So they're not like ultra lightweight, high performance wheels. They're more of like a show car wheel in a way. But that is perfectly fine for me because this is going to be my daily driver setup, and I'm just so excited to put these things on the car, which will happen tomorrow, so you guys will see that next video. Now, I'm gonna get to ceramic coating these using the Adams Polishes ceramic wheel coating, which I'll just give you guys a quick little rundown. So we got some instructions in here. You got coating prep, ceramic boost, and the actual ceramic wheel coating itself, a microfiber applicator, and 2 microfiber towels. So that is basically all you need to ceramic coat the wheels. Like I said, I've already made a really good instructional video on how to ceramic coat them. So I'll kind of go over this quickly, and then we'll go to the wrap shop and check out the wrap. What's up, man?
Hey dude, what are you doing?
Oh, just ceramic coating some wheels, filming a YouTube video. What are you doing? So now just doing some last minute checking, making sure I got all the ceramic off, which it looks like I did. So that is pretty much a finished ceramic coated wheel, at least for the next 24 hours it is. And then in 24 hours, you basically go back, spray some of this on there, the ceramic boost, and then, you know, spray it on, buff it off. And at that point, your wheels are fully ceramic coated and it is complete.
And just like that, it's about an hour later, all 4 wheels are nice and ceramic coated. Oh man, once again, these things look so good, and huge shout out to Adams Polishes for their wheel coating. That stuff works great, goes on super easy. So now, as I said, we're gonna head over to Mob Auto Boutique and check out the future wrap for the Hellcat. What's up, Frankie?
Tying my shoe.
You're tying your shoe, okay.
Yeah.
Been at the top for a while and I ain't jumped yet.
Well, if you thought we were taking the Hellcat, you were wrong. We're in Frank's Daily. Sick. So while we're here on our way, we've actually been talking about the future project car. Frank, what is your input on
Miata.
what should I get, Miata?
NB Miata.
I'm kind of considering it, guys. Let me know down below, would you be interested in Miata content? Now, I wouldn't be doing your typical like Miata videos. It would be probably just a straight up autocross, and it's like small road course Miata basically. So it would be a little race car, which would be really fun, and I could definitely improve my driving skills at autocross. But a big reason of why I say Miata is because they are so cheap. They're like $3 grand. That's it. Hello!
What's up?
Hello! I came in the back door. Faison, how are you, buddy?
Tired.
Tired?
Very tired.
Where's my wrap?
That Mustang hood sucks.
To wrap?
Yes.
Oh, here it is.
Are you revealing it?
In black and white.
Okay. Oh. Satin
Ooh.
and gloss.
Ooh. Let me take these outside. Mercedes and Dodge are the same.
If you're gonna do satin accents, then go gloss for sure. Actually, I say go gloss for sure, anyways.
Yeah, I like the gloss better.
Just because it's a rounder body.
I'm sorry, guys. I know y'all want to see this in color, and I want to show you guys so bad, but
You guys want to see it?
just bear with me. I promise you, it's freaking sweet. So this one's a satin one, even though it's black and white, but that's a satin and that's the gloss. It's the same wrap. And I don't know how well or what shows up in black and white, but as you can probably tell, it may or may not change colors depending on which way you look at it, but you guys just don't know what color it is. All right, so now that that is out of the way, let's check out what Travis has got going on over here. A Mustang. What's up, Travis?
How's it going?
Pretty good, man. How are you?
Good.
So this is Yankee Dewey's Mustang, right?
Yeah, we just trimmed it out.
That's pretty dope, man. I like that a lot.
One of the hardest heads we've ever done.
We're just in here checking out all the different wrap booklets that Faison has in here. So you said you have 7 of them?
Little cheese too.
Man, there's so many. Look at all the choices. You're supposed to pick one out of all that? Jeez. But I think I'm still sticking with my original color. But yeah, there's some pretty cool ones in here. In the next video you guys see, we'll be ceramic coating Zach's wheels.
Oh.
Is that your new wrap?
Yeah.
To match your Kia.
Yeah. I'm getting my Kia Soul wrapped in diamond purple. Dude, this is awesome. This is like B5 Blue Maximus.
But the next video you guys see, we'll be putting the wheels, tires on. We'll also be ceramic coating his, and then also maybe a couple other goodies that I have planned. So that'll be the next video you guys see, but until then, that is pretty much today's video. Just a heads up, if you guys visit Mob Auto Boutique, you can play all your finest Xbox One games.
And Fortnite.
And Fortnite, because, you know, what else would you do while waiting for your car to get wrapped?
It's gonna take a while.
Just a week of me sitting here playing Fortnite while you guys are wrapping my car back there.
I feel like you're gonna do that.
All right, guys, well, we're probably gonna head out now. So, you know, got to see the new wheels, got to see kind of the new wrap, sort of in a way. But if you guys need any vinyl wraps or auto dips or anything, hit up this man right here, Mob Auto Boutique. Hey, turn around. Because stock isn't good enough. How cute.
That's true. And
New burnout.
I have to ask permission from Faison. Yes?
no way.
Okay.
Send it.
Hey, do it quick and then.
Alright, ready?
Good effort.
All right, you guys, well, that pretty much sums up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys like the new wheels and the black and white wrap. And the next video, we'll be putting the wheels and tires on the car and a couple other goodies, so be ready for that one. But thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take it easy.